All right, so let's look at problem 37. We have a normal model that's modeled by a mean of 1,152 with a standard deviation of 84. Okay, this is number 37. So A is we're going to find the weight that represents the 40th percentile. So we draw a normal model. So 1152 must be in here. That would be the 50th percentile. Okay, so the 40th percentile would be over here somewhere. So the first thing we got to figure out is we got to figure out what z-score is the 40th percentile. Let me zoom that in a little bit for you. Okay, so we're going to go to second distribution inverse norm, 40th percentile, and it's negative 0.2533. So z there equals negative 0.2533. So we're going to take our z-score formula, x minus x bar over standard deviation, okay? Or we could write it as x minus mu over sigma, either way, okay? So z in this case equals negative 0.2533. We don't know what that x value is, but we do know that the mean is 1152, and we do know that the standard deviation is 84. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 84. So that crosses that out. So 84 times negative 0.2533 is negative 21.72772 equals x minus 1152, and then obviously would add 1152 to both sides, and we get x is 1130.72. Okay, and then B, they want to know the 99th percentile. Okay, so again, we draw a picture. 1152 is the 50th percentile. So the 99th percentile is up here. So again, we're going to go to our calculator. We're going to go inverse norm, and we're going to do the 99th percentile. And that's 2.326. So z here is 2.326. So we're going to do 2.326 equals x minus 1152 times 84. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply both sides by 84. So we're going to do 84 here and 84 there. That crosses out. So we get 195.384 equals x minus 1152, and then we're going to add 1152 to both sides, and we get x is going to be about 1347.38 pounds. That should be pounds. Okay, and then what's the IQR? Alright, let's talk about the IQR. Okay, so if we're looking at the IQR, okay, Q1 is over here, and that's the 25th percentile, and Q3 is over here, and that's the 75th percentile. Okay, so I got to change the 25th percentile into a z-score, and that's negative 0.6745. And then I got to find the 75th percentile, and that's positive 0.6745. They're equidistant from the mean, which would make sense since that's the 25th percentile and that's the 50th percentile. That's 25 percentiles away, and that's 25 percentiles away. So they're equidistant from the mean. So now I have to set up two equations. So I do negative 0.6745 equals x minus 1152 times 84, or over 84, and then I do positive 0.6745 equals x minus 1152 over 84. Okay? So let's do the one on the right first. We'd first multiply it by 84, and then we would add 1152, and we get this over here is 1095.34, and then that would be Q1, and then Q3 over here, we're going to multiply both sides by 84, and then we're going to add 1152, and that comes out to 1208.66, and then the IQR equals Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 is 1208.66, Q1 is 1095.34, and if we subtract those two, we get 113.32. So the IQR is 113.32.